Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something crucial for anyone planning to build a house, a building, or any structure, really. We're rediving into the world of structural engineers and why they are the absolute safety backbone of every construction project. So, what exactly does a structural engineer do? Simply put, they are the professionals who make sure a building is safe, strong, and stable. They ensure your investment, and more importantly, the people inside it, are protected. First and foremost, they guarantee structural safety. Imagine your house is constantly under pressure from different forces, its own weight, the furniture, and people inside, strong winds from a typhoon, or even the shaking from an earthquake. A structural engineer analyzes all these loads and stresses. They calculate the perfect size for columns, beams, and foundations to make sure your home won't crack, tilt, or collapse under pressure. They're the reason your house stands strong. Next, they provide the technical blueprint for that strength through accurate structural design and computations. This isn't just a simple drawing. They prepare a detailed structural design analysis. This technical report is packed with load computations, precise sizing for every beam, column, and slab, and all the reinforcement details, like how much steel to use. This entire design must comply with the National Building Code to ensure it's up to standard. This leads us to a critical point: building permits. In the Philippines, the law is clear. For any structure, especially those 2 stories and above, you absolutely need plans signed and sealed by a licensed civil or structural engineer. Without their signature, your building permit application will not be approved. It's a non-negotiable step that formalizes the safety checks we've been talking about. Hiring a structural engineer also prevents incredibly costly problems down the road. A properly designed structure avoids nightmares like cracks appearing on your walls, your foundation settling unevenly, or worse, beam or column failure during an earthquake. Their expertise ensures both safety and cost efficiency, saving you a fortune on future repairs. They also optimize material use, making sure you don't waste money on too much concrete or steel, but also ensuring you don't use too little, which would be incredibly unsafe. It's all about finding that perfect, efficient balance. Living in a country prone to earthquakes and typhoons, their role becomes even more vital. They design your building to specifically withstand seismic forces and powerful wind loads. This isn't an afterthought. It's a core part of their design process to protect lives and property. At the end of the day, a structural engineer's most important job is to protect human life. They are the guardians who make sure your building stands strong and, most importantly, stays standing, especially when nature throws its worst at us. So, if you're building, remember that a structural engineer isn't just an expense. They're an investment in safety, peace of mind, and the longevity of your property. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our future content. See you in the next one.